This video will walk you through how to find and update your survivor leaf on cancerfighters.com. Once you've logged in to cancerfighters.com, make your way to the top right corner and click on My Profile. You can access your leaf by scrolling down on your profile page and clicking on the My Leaf tool. This component was previously called My Story and transitioned to My Leaf when you became eligible for Celebrate Life. If you provided responses to any of the questions in My Story, you will find them here as they have transitioned into My Leaf. Different from My Story, My Leaf has additional details at the top of the page that make up your leaf. These details are what will appear in the in-hospital experience. Be sure to update your My Leaf details. Your responses here determine how your leaf is displayed on the digital survivor tree. Remember that based on your privacy preferences, these details may be public and will be included in the hospital experience. Update accordingly and save.